welcome back to our show. I'm Jacob and this is Nikki. And I'm not going to tell you the name of our show because you should probably know this by now. But in case you don't know, it's From Simmer To Sizzle. And today we're going to be making something called chicken parm. You've probably never heard of it before, but that's fine. I'll tell you exactly what it is. So we're going to take some chicken breast. Is that a breast? Yeah. Mm-hmm. And we're going to butterfly it. And we're going to pound it. Take all of our not our energy, but all of our frustrations out. And then we're going to fry it, and then we're gonna put some egg yolk, and then put in breadcrumbs, and then we're gonna put in flour, and then we're gonna fry it, and then we're gonna make a sauce, and then we're gonna put it over spaghetti.
Pretty close.
And then we're gonna have wine. I haven't had wine yet, so we're gonna have some wine for dinner.
Yep, so we're going to start with our chicken breast here. We're going to butterfly it. Let's see which way best. Okay. There we go. Nice butterfly chicken breast there.
We need to pound it thin.
Now we need to lay some plastic out. Can you?
Yeah. My hands are clean.
Okay.
Ish.
Let's pull a little bit off. There we go. Dave's here.
Dave's here? Wow. Can you kill him?
Lay it flat on the counter.
Can you kill him? Can you? Can you? We liked it. Oh yeah, we did. I forgot.
Okay, now fold this
Dave is our friend.
over. Alright. No. Get our pounderizer.
Let's not pulverize it. This is fun. Can I dent the thing? The counter?
Okay, probably good.
Okay.
Nice
Yeah.
and thin. Oh, okay.
That's
All right.
good.
Now we just need to toss it in some flour, egg yolk, panko breadcrumbs,
Yep.
and then
Fried it.
fry it up. And
Broil it.
yeah,
Cook it.
we also need to make our sauce, so we gotta move to the other side, I think.
All right, let's get started on our chicken.
All right, the chicken's on the counter over there.
Okay.
So I don't know how much of that will show up on the camera or not, but we got our chicken.
Okay.
We got our
Can you help me get this
station
out
prep
and
it. Yep.
get things going here?
Okay. All right, just take the chicken, put it into the tray of flour there. It's pretty thin in the middle there.
Is that bad?
No, that just means I cut it a little too far.
So we're gonna coat this nicely
Yep.
with some flour. You probably know what we're gonna do next. We're gonna flip it, and then we're gonna put it in the egg.
Yep, put it in the egg wash.
Shoot.
Nice, got it all over the...
I know. Sorry. Not sorry. I meant to do that. Anyway.
Alright.
Get nice and coated, and then we're gonna go into the breadcrumbs. Didn't make too much of a mess.
Huh?
Tell them why you use panko.
Well, panko's crispy, doesn't have any seasoning in it, because it's just crisp breadcrumbs. If you use Italian-style breadcrumbs, it has its own seasoning, which you can do, but
Here.
it might burn the seasoning. This is not hot enough yet, so don't worry about
So we're
it.
just gonna leave this in here and wait.
Yep. In this skillet here, I'm going to start making our sauce. Real simple. I've got some olive oil. Now this recipe from Action Bronson, I've used his a couple of times, calls to fry the chicken in olive oil, which you could do, and it imparts a really good flavor from the olive oil. But olive oil has a low smoke point, so heating it up this hot to fry the chicken can get a little smoky. But we can use it here in this sauce. So just put some olive oil down. Once it gets hot, then I throw in some garlic and some Calabrian chilies. Calabrian chilies are the same as like pepperoncinis. They're the little hot peppers that pizza places put in like salads or in with the pizzas and stuff. They're usually green. These are red. That's fine. It's the same pepper. Once those are fried up and hot, we're going to toss our
Tomato.
Well, first we're going to throw the basil in, let it wilt and cook down, and then throw in the tomato sauce, add some salt and pepper, and that's it. It's a quick 2-minute sauce.
Okay, is this getting hot?
Just put it right down flat.
Can I take my gloves off?
It's not hot enough to start bubbling. Yeah, go ahead. You can take your gloves off.
I was ready for that.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. And then I can help you with this.
Okay.
Mozzarella is the best cheese to use for this recipe. Don't use any other cheese.
Yeah, you want to get some fresh mozzarella. Usually comes in a ball like that.
What?
I'm just watching closely.
Why?
Make
I'm
sure
like,
she doesn't cut herself.
I'm waiting for you to hit your nail. That's all. I'll yell if I see it happening. Well, so will you.
Ah! This is my favorite part of cutting. Just lost it.
You're definitely better than me.
And fragrant.
Yeah, I know. I grew a lot since
Throw in the
then, so
basil.
I've grown so much since I've been coming around you guys. I'm the same height, but
This thing's popping.
I think you might be shorter.
yeah, hey!
Okay, what do you add next, Jay? The tomato?
Tomatoes, crushed tomatoes. This is gonna pop for a second.
Okay, I'm ready. One more. Okay, help me with this, like, take this
Go.
part out. I can't
Perfect.
see everybody's numbers. You can do mine. Right?
Again.
Okay.
That's our sauce. I'm gonna throw a little bit of salt and pepper in there.
For taste.
Salt.
Is that what recipes say?
Yep.
A little salt and pepper to taste.
Mm-hmm.
Why did I say it like that?
Because it's up to your taste. How much salt and pepper you want to add.
It's bougie.
That's not.
You're bougie. Aww.
There's just a little bit of pepper in there. I'm gonna just stir it.
We stir it together. You ignore him.
I'm just focused.
Focused? Am I focused?
I don't know. Are you?
Yeah. I think so. Not sure. Oh, shite.
This chicken parm recipe is actually pretty easy compared to some recipes you get.
Can you turn this down a certain top?
Okay. Yeah, once you kind of just shoot from the hip on this recipe, you don't have to measure a whole lot.
Oh,
You kind of just have to know what
face.
goes in to the recipe, and then you can go from there. Look at that. That's good.
That's right on my mouth. You have a cooking injury.
Yeah, it happens when you're cooking with oil.
He can finish the show because I'm out.
All right.
Tag.
I want to try it. Oh, it's good. I barely got it.
Yeah, it's a very basic sauce. A little bit of zip from the Calabrian chilies, but it's not too spicy.
I don't like.
It's like adding red peppers to tomato sauce.
It's
or
not a
crushed
sweet-
red pepper.
It's not a sweet sauce.
Yeah. It's not spicy, but it's not like well, like you would get it like Joe's Pizza, you know, where they add sugar to the sauce.
I don't like that.
I like it, but I don't like I've had their chicken parm, and it's like too much of the sauce. And it's like you're eating sugar.
You're not gonna add any sugar, are you?
No, I don't.
Oh, all right.
Getting there.
Good, yeah. Looks good on this side.
Alright. I wonder if I should add some oregano or anything in there. I never have, but I was thinking about it.
Do it. Do it. Do it. No.
Maybe just a little bit.
I'll do it. Can I do it?
Hold on. Alright, so we got a tiny amount of oregano. Stir that in. Ooh. Good.
Can I add more or no?
That should be fine.
Do you need a plate, Jake?
No, this is going into the sauce.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. I know.
Oh, shoot. Cooking's dangerous, sister. That hurt. I don't like cooking. You can do it. It's over. Get you a man that cooks.
Alright, let's get the sauce.
Right, Amy? That's right, sister.
Alright. It's good. Let's layer some mozzarella over the top. No. On the chicken, not the sauce.
Yeah, you don't get all that.
Yeah, this is lots of mozzarella. We're not going to use
I
it.
like cheese.
No.
I know, but this is plenty. Okay. Now we're gonna. This isn't hot yet. All right, step back. Okay, now we're gonna put it in the broiler.
So the cheese can melt over the chicken.
Mm-hmm. And we're just gonna keep an eye on it. Take about up to 5 minutes before it starts to bubble and brown. And that's where we want it.
Does this stuff have a lot of taste to it?
Huh? Mozzarella?
Yeah.
No.
Okay. Because it kind of tastes like nothing.
Yeah, not a whole lot of flavor.
Hi guys, welcome back. We're gonna try this chicken parm. Did you say you needed a spoon?
For the sauce, so we need to put some
Okay, so I'll get you a fork.
and a knife.
Okay. Okay.
Do you want some of this sauce?
Yes, please. I like lots of sauce.
Should have gotten a bigger spoon.
I'll tell you when, don't worry. When?
Okay.
All right.
You want to pour some wine first?
No, I'm just hungry.
Okay. Well, we're having wine with this. I've got a Cabernet Sauvignon.
And I got red stuff.
This is 628 Reserve from 2015, Napa
This-
Valley.
This is from Brie. It's North Carolina Easy Sweet Muscadine wine.
Very sweet wine.
Yeah, that's just like me. What? So, whenever you're drinking wine, you want to do the 3 S's. Swirl, sniff, sip.
Is that from what? Being at a winery?
No, it's from Jake.
I never taught her that. She insists that I taught her that.
Linda taught me that, I think. I approve. So this is a great meal if you got a big family. This is a great meal if you ain't got no family.
Wow.
You know, you can make this. Someone else can make it for you. I think anyone, if you like spaghetti and you like chicken, this is perfect.
Yeah, it's a very filling meal too.
If you have lots of people coming over and you don't know what everybody likes, chicken, spaghetti goes well.
I mean, it requires a lot of work to make a lot of chicken like that, but yeah.
Everyone will be happy. Okay. Can we peace out now? I'm ready.
Okay. Well, thank you for watching.
From Simmer to Sizzle.
Yep, be sure to join us next time.
And comment down below what you want to see us make next.
Mm-hmm.
And share this with all your friends and your family and your coworkers and people on the street. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, bitches.
Hey,